Hello everyone, welcome to Oak Hollow Garage. I've got to stop buying stuff edition number 5 probably. So I hinted at another project that I have in my video about the 46 Ford, and I'm going to reveal that project to you. It's a little bit of a smaller project. Now I've got 3.5 projects going on. The half is for the Datsun. So I'm going to be busy. Probably won't make a lot of quick progress on any of them. But why am I in a small shed to show you a project? Well, this is why. Ba-ba! I bought a frame and wheels. This is I don't recall what year this might be, 1972 maybe. Yes, 72. Honda Trail 70, CT70. This was originally a 3-speed, no clutch, road legal mini bike back in the 70s. This has a nice solid frame. It needs new front forks, but it's a rolling chassis. So there we go. I just have to buy everything else and put it all on there. I have a little skid plate here. I don't even recall what this is, but that's something for it. I've got a seat, I've got a motor, engine. So I've got some of the basic stuff. Oh, this might be handlebars. I probably could use some forks first. But anyway, so this is the project. I have So I've got a template to work from. I bought this guy probably 2 weeks after I bought the frame. I just got on this kick where I got all nostalgic because this is the bike that I learned how to ride motorcycles on. Not this exact one, but this model. And I got all nostalgic and I was like, you know what? I want a Honda Trail 70. And I was looking around and I found this one down in North Carolina. It's got a 125cc, which is up from the 70cc original. It's a 4-speed with a clutch. So a bit of an upgrade. Zooms around nice and quick. It's got a fun little horn. Let's see if this works. Turn the power back on here. Oh, my horn button's here. I just think that's a stupid, fun little douchey thing. It's got upgraded rear suspension, so it can hold, heavy Americans. And I think it's probably a Chinese, which isn't a big deal. It's a Japanese motorcycle, but I think it's a Chinese motor on there. But like I said, 125cc, runs really well, starts up nice. And this one, even though it does have a headlight and speedometer, it is not street legal because it doesn't have the turn signals in the back. It doesn't have the license plate mount. Not that I would register it for the street anyway. But I'm going to turn that little thing in there into a second one of these, and then I'm going to teach my wife to ride. That will be an adventure, and we'll have a lot of fun. So there's my 1, 2, 3, third and a half project. If you have any thoughts, comments, suggestions, advice is always appreciated. I've never done one of these mini bikes either, so that'll be fun. And there you go. Please hit me up with comments below, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for tuning in.